Hello, good morning everyone guys. Today is another serious day. We will discuss about the five love languages of Gary Chapman. So this is not my original. I just read a book and attended a lot of trainings about relationship, what are the secrets of long-lasting relationship. And then we will match it with five uh, types of love in Greek. Kasi in English language, when we say love, it's very general. Unlike sa Greek, it's very specific. And most of us are longing to be loved. Okay? So, kahit saang area of our life, we always go for go for a place where we feel, we have the sense of belongingness. Kahit sa family, kahit sa mag-ina, or sa workplace natin. Sa human resource po natin, employees doesn't leave the company, but they leave their managers. So, lahat ng ito is part ng relationship. And God called us to love each other, di ba? If we check our Bible. So, number one, touch. Madalas ito sa mga lalaki. Time, quality time. Yung gusto mo, yung present and all the attention is with you. And then, acts of service, I personally love. Yan. Kaya mas enjoy akong nasa hotel. Kasi yung lahat ready na. They will serve everything. So, pampered na pampered ako pag nasa hotel. Yung accommodation. Yan. Tapos, gift giving. I also love receiving also. O, lahatin na natin. Then fifth is words of affirmation. Positive words. Speak life. Okay? Let us speak life for each other. It's a soul. Food for the soul. Yung mga magagandang salita. So I listen to podcast na magaganda ang sinasabi. So, then we have agape, that is the unconditional love of God for us, storge, sa parents. And then, eros, sa mag-asawa. Philia, platonic love, yung magkaibigan, what else? Okay, so that's it for today. God bless everyone. I hope you stay in love with the Word of God. Okay? And let God love us. Have a great day. Bye!